Well, I'm still inside this, what is this? This is a 4930, and it's, you know, a little bit later today, 15/15/22, March 2020. Okay, I have to think about that. Anyway, after going through one belt, then another belt, that's, okay, this is the original belt right here. This is the belt I had in there, but it was slipping, and so now I finally figured out that the belt was just simply wasn't tight enough. Now, of course, I don't know what the original size belt is anyway, but again, touching on the leaf switch, as I do, it works. So there it works. It's running like it's supposed to. And if I go and hit, wait, this is stop, and then hit that one and go back to the leaf switch, and okay, it's sitting on something. I should do it off of sitting on something. There we go. So it does that, all right? And of course, I have to flip it over and play a tape. Let's see, can we just do that? Let me just flip it over, get it in the right position, hopefully, and it should be working, which it's not, which means the happy little lever switch. Okay, we have to turn it off. Wait, that's what it was. Here, turn it off. Get the thing in the right happy little position. Okay, which is going to be in that hole. Okay, and hopefully, let's see here. So now, there we go. Yeah, great. So now it's because it's plugged in, and so now if we take this, we got, okay, we don't have. Here's the speakers going to. Well, there's the speakers there. All right, so we'll take a little BTO, put it in the right side up, silly. So drop that in there, and it'll do that. Wait, I'll do that, I'll do that, oops, and we can hit play, and I forgot we don't have our, oh, there it is. Okay, so, yeah, I think that's fast forward, that is, oh, that's rewind, oh, who knows. Taking care of business, alright, so that's what we're doing, okay. Yeah, I've taken care of that, and I've gone through and you know, cleaned the recording bar switch. That's that thing right there. Okay, that long bar. And I lubricated these three right here. And that's about much. And then, of course, well, anyway, so much for that. So just a few minutes inside one of these, and I've got these couple of quasars and these couple of quasars there to work on. Okay, and oh, here's the front of this. Here's the front of this. Okay, it's got a, you know, wonky. Anyway, it works fine. It's just need a new belt. That's all we know. So good day, bye bye. Hope you enjoyed. And those speakers are a bit expensive. They're for this model. Okay, so but $35 for a pair of, you know, dinky little tiny speakers. That's just a bit much unless you're really desperate for this model. It's a nice model. It only runs on 9 volts. Gets pretty loud for what it is. It takes this chip right here, which is a what is that chip? It's a LA40508. Wait, LA4508. Okay, you look that up. That's the power transistor. There's not even a heatsink on there, so that's meaning it's really low power. Okay, am I having too much fun? 4 minutes, so shut up. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Here's the date code. I'll leave you with that. All right, really, really old. Bye-bye.